Welcome to My Indian Visa mobile app. In this video, we'll guide you through every feature of the app from registration to managing your visa details and show you how to make the most of its powerful tools. My Indian Visa app is designed to make managing your Indian visa simple and seamless. Whether you're a foreign visitor, an international student, or a patient visiting India for medical treatment, the app keeps all your visa details, documents, and updates in one secure place. To get started, download My Indian Visa from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple onboarding process. New users can register using email or phone number. Make sure your information is correct for verification. After registration, log in with your credentials. Returning users can simply log in and access their profile instantly. An OTP will be sent for account verification to ensure your data remains secure. Once logged in, the dashboard gives you a complete snapshot of your visa status and key functionalities. Main sections include Visa information, all details related to your visa, including type, validity, and expiry. Personalized alerts and notifications. Stay updated with reminders about visa expiry, document submissions, or compliance updates. Expert Visa consultation, get guidance directly from visa experts through the in-app chat window. Secure document storage, upload and safely store all your visa and passport documents. Days calculator, track your visa validity and remaining days in India. FRRO registration status, check your FRRO registration and stay compliant with Indian regulations. To manage your visa, click Add Visa and enter the required information, visa number, type, and personal details. If your organization or FMS admin has already added your visa, your details will auto-populate, saving you time. With secure document storage, you can upload essential documents like passport copies, visa copies, FRRO compliance certificates, and more. All documents are stored securely and accessible anytime. The app sends personalized alerts and notifications for important events, like visa renewals, document submission deadlines, or FRRO compliance. You can customize which alerts you want to receive. Need help? Use the Expert Visa consultation feature. Talk to visa experts directly through the app with multilingual support to remove language barriers. Get guidance for visa queries, document submission, and FRRO compliance in real time. The Days Calculator helps you track your visa validity and remaining days in India. You can also check your FRRO registration status to ensure compliance with Indian regulations, all from your mobile device. To summarize, My Indian Visa mobile app gives you expert visa consultation with multilingual support, personalized alerts and notifications, secure document storage, Visa Days Calculator, FRRO registration tracking, easy management of multiple visa profiles. Download My Indian Visa app today to simplify your visa management experience. Keep your visa data organized, secure, and always up to date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on managing visas and foreign nationals in India.